Did you know that having thyme growing in your garden can be a game changer for your health? In this video, we will explore the numerous health benefits of thyme and how incorporating this herb into your garden can have a profound impact on your well-being. From boosting the immune system to aiding digestion, thyme offers a multitude of advantages that can enhance your overall health. So get ready to discover the incredible benefits of growing thyme and unlock a healthier life. Welcome back to our channel, where nature and health meet. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and join our wonderful community. Today we are diving into the fascinating world of herbs and exploring why growing thyme in your garden is a game changer for your health. Why is thyme such an amazing herb? Thyme is more than just a delicious herb to add flavor to your meals. It has been used for centuries for its medicinal properties. Rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals, thyme offers a range of health benefits. Let's take a closer look at some of its amazing qualities. Thyme's antioxidant powerhouse. Thyme is loaded with antioxidants that help protect your body against oxidative stress and free radicals. These antioxidants help strengthen your immune system and reduce inflammation, keeping you healthier and more resilient. Thyme for immune support. When it comes to your immune system, thyme has got you covered. It is a natural source of vitamin C and other immune-busting compounds that help fight off infections and keep you feeling your best. Say goodbye to sniffles and hello to thyme tea. Thyme for better digestion. Having trouble digesting? Thyme to the rescue. This herb stimulates the production of digestive enzymes, aiding digestion and reducing symptoms like bloating and indigestion. Thyme and heart health. Heart health is crucial for overall well-being, and thyme plays a role in maintaining healthy blood pressure levels, promoting better heart health. Thyme for skin health. Looking for a natural way to improve your skin health? Look no further than thyme. Its antimicrobial properties make it effective against acne and other skin infections, leaving your skin clear and radiant. Thyme for stress relief. Feeling stressed and anxious? Thyme essential oil can help calm your mind and promote relaxation. Inhaling the aroma of thyme or brewing thyme tea can help soothe your nerves and alleviate stress. Thyme for respiratory support. Thyme is known for its expectorant properties, helping to loosen mucus and phlegm in the respiratory system. This makes it beneficial for people suffering from conditions like bronchitis or asthma. How to grow thyme? A step-by-step guide. Now that you're aware of the incredible health benefits of thyme, let's learn how to grow it in your own garden. Follow these simple steps to get started. Choosing the right location. Thyme thrives in areas with good air circulation and plenty of sunlight. Select a spot in your garden that receives at least 6 hours of direct sunlight daily. Preparing the soil. Thyme prefers well-draining soil. If your soil is heavy clay, consider adding materials like perlite or coarse sand to improve drainage. Planting your thyme. You can start growing thyme from seeds or purchase seedlings from a local nursery. If planting from seed, sow them indoors 6 to 8 weeks before the last expected frost. When planting seedlings, follow the instructions on the container. Watering thyme. Thyme is a drought-tolerant herb, so it doesn't require frequent watering. Allow the soil to dry out between waterings to prevent root rot. Deep watering is preferred over frequent shallow watering. Fertilizing your thyme. Thyme is not a heavy feeder, so it doesn't require much fertilizer. If you want to fertilize, use a balanced, slow-release fertilizer, according to the package instructions. Pruning and harvesting. Regular pruning encourages bushier growth. Pinch off the flower buds to redirect the plant's energy towards foliage growth. Harvest thyme leaves as needed for your recipes or tea. Overwintering thyme. In colder climates, Thyme may require some protection over winter. Apply a layer of mulch around the plant to insulate the roots and help it survive the cold. Common pests and diseases. Thyme is generally pest and disease resistant, but it can sometimes attract pests like whiteflies or powdery mildew. Treat any issues promptly to prevent them from spreading. Incorporating thyme into your health routine. Now that you've successfully grown your own thyme, let's explore some ways to incorporate it into your health routine. Thyme tea for immune support. Steep fresh thyme leaves in hot water to make a soothing tea. Thyme tea is not only delicious, but also helps boost the immune system. Thyme in cooking. Add fresh thyme leaves to soups, stews, stir-fries, and marinades to infuse them with flavor and antioxidant-rich goodness. Thyme essential oil for aromatherapy. Diffuse thyme essential oil to create a calming atmosphere. The scent of thyme can help reduce stress and promote relaxation. Topical thyme for skincare. Thyme's antimicrobial properties make it effective against acne and other skin infections. Apply diluted thyme oil topically to help clear up blemishes. Growing thyme, a rewarding endeavor. Growing thyme is a rewarding experience that provides numerous health benefits. By following the simple cultivation techniques and incorporating thyme into your daily routine, you can enjoy the delicious flavor and therapeutic properties of this amazing herb. Can you eat thyme leaves raw? Yes, you can eat thyme leaves raw. In fact, it's often preferred that way for salads or garnish. They have a subtle, slightly minty, peppery and lemon flavor. How often should I water my thyme? Thyme is drought tolerant once established. Water it deeply but infrequently, about once every 2 weeks, or when the soil is dry to the touch. Overwatering can lead to root rot. Is thyme an annual or perennial herb? Thyme is a perennial herb, which means it lives for more than 2 years. With proper care, it can thrive in your garden for many years, providing you with a continuous supply of fresh thyme. What does growing thyme attract? Thyme can attract beneficial insects such as bees and butterflies to your garden. Its nectar and pollen are a great source of food for these making it a valuable addition to any pollinator-friendly garden. How tall does garden thyme get? Garden thyme typically grows between 6 to 12 inches tall and spreads around 1 to 2 feet wide. Its low-growing habit makes it an excellent choice for ground cover or planting in between other garden elements. Can I grow thyme in a container? Yes, you can grow thyme in containers. In fact, growing thyme in pots is a great option for those with limited garden space. Just ensure the container has adequate drainage holes and use a well-draining potting mix. Should I remove thyme flowers? It's not necessary to remove thyme flowers unless you want to keep the plant's shape in check. Allowing the flowers to bloom can help attract pollinators to your garden and provide additional color and visual interest. However, if you prefer a bushier, denser thyme plant, you can pinch off the flower buds as they appear. Can I grow lemon balm with thyme? Yes, you can grow lemon balm and thyme together. They have similar growing requirements and can complement each other well in the garden. Lemon balm is another herb with its own set of health benefits and a pleasant citrus scent. How do I dry thyme for winter use? To dry thyme for winter use, simply harvest the stems and leaves when they're fully grown but before the plant goes to seed. Air dry the thyme in a well-ventilated area, or use a dehydrator to dry it quickly. Store the dried thyme in airtight containers in a cool, dark place. Can I freeze thyme? Yes, you can freeze thyme. To freeze fresh thyme, wash and chop the leaves, then freeze them in small portions in ice cube trays with water or olive oil. Once frozen, transfer the thyme cubes to a freezer-safe bag or container for storage. You can use frozen thyme in soups, stews, and other cooked dishes. Let us know in the comments below what other herbs you'd like us to feature in our future videos. We'd love to hear from you. And if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button to join our growing community of health enthusiasts. Stay well and happy gardening.